Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hi everyone, my name is EJ, and in today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you the idea that I got after watching PewDiePie's Meme Awards. And first of all, the reason that I'm making this video is because I saw something wrong in the whole video. Was something that was bothering me the whole time, and not in a bad way, but it was just bothering me, and because I knew I can do something about it. And after watching the video I realized, you know what, I can do something about it. And the problem, if you may ask, is this. This is the problem. PewDiePie was only using a JPEG, and I thought there is no reason to only have a JPEG as a price for all the memes. So I decided to go on my PC, design a 3D file, and 3D print it using my 3D printer and make something real for the community and to everyone to use. So after making the model and 3D printing it, I went into sanding and priming and sanding just to fill the gaps in between the layers, because if you know, 3D printing is just layer by layer of plastic laying down until it finishes the product. So after waiting the 25 hours for this to print, I printed on 2 pieces, so it's gonna be easier to print. You don't need any supports or anything on them, and you can even let this be printed at a 3D hub and they will charge you depending on the file. I don't know how much it's gonna be for this one, but you can check it out for yourself. I'm actually really happy with the results and how it looks, that I can have it here at home laying on my desk and I can just look at it and have nice memories about the Meme Awards and how this came to mind. But the main reason I make this one is because I want to put it out there for the community, for them to grab it and make something to give to somebody else or for themselves and keep it. So it is more than just a video or a JPEG. You can actually have this at home and just look at it and have nice memories about it. So please, I'm gonna be leaving the link in the description box below, so you can go and grab it, download it, and just print it, do something with it, please. And if you do something, share it with me in social media on Instagram and Twitter. I'm gonna be leaving the links also in the description box below. And before I go, don't forget to subscribe to PewDiePie. Do your part, don't let T-Series win. We are already at 80 millions, but T-Series, I mean L-Series, is coming behind us, and we need to stop them, guys. We need to keep as number one guy in this room making nice videos instead of a corporation in the first place. And don't forget to let me know in the comments down below what you think about it, what you think about the trophy. I'm really happy with it. I hope you also like it, and don't forget to share the files with somebody else that may appreciate this as much as you do. And if you like the video, please let me know in the comments down below. If you don't like it, also let me know what I can improve and what I can do in the future. Thank you so much for watching. My name is EJ. Don't forget to download the files in the description. I will see you on the next one. Bye.